Hello, what is your name?
Hey, I'm Cool Boy.
Where are you from, Cool Boy?
Candyland.
Okay, what is your favorite pastime?
Don't know what that means. I'm too cool.
What country are you from? In Candyland.
Candyland.
Candyland?
Candyland. You know why they call me Cool Boy, huh?
You know what? I don't like that name. You know what?
I got
Let's take
my
your
own
name
helicopter.
practice. Cool Boy, what is your favorite thing?
Girls.
What's your favorite poop sack?
Green ones. Can't go wrong with green ones.
What's your favorite level of pooping or peeing?
Level 5. Relaxing.
What is a 5?
It's the end. Let's just say that's the end.
The end is 100.
No, the end is 5.
The end is 99.
The